All right, what is up, YouTube? Welcome to my channel. So today I just got a idea. I'm just gonna go out on my stock 2005 YZ125. I got this nice dirt road, a nice straightaway that I can see nice and far ahead of me, and I thought I'd just do a top speed test. So last I recall, I did one of these before. I got around 67, but I don't think I had it fully pinned, but I guess we'll just go see what we can do. And this will just be according to the GoPro like speedometer with the GPS. It seems pretty accurate within like 1 or 2 miles an hour, so it'll just be an estimate. But yeah, let's go see what we can get. Alrighty, here we go. We're gonna see what we can do on this 2005 YZ125 bone stock. Well, there's just an estimate. I kept her pinned for a couple seconds, don't want to blow it up, but just thought I'd make this video if any of you guys are curious or if you're looking to buy one of these bikes. So yeah, there you go. Make sure to like and subscribe for more YZ125 content. And yeah, peace out.